In this video, I challenged myself to see if I could grow just 0.1 Solana by trading Solana meme coins for exactly 1 hour. It definitely didn't go as planned. We hit some great trades, made some solid profits, even lost the entire balance at one point. Then we reloaded and then caught a coin that completely changed the outcome. But this isn't just a challenge video. As we go through every trade, I'll show you exactly what I look for before buying a meme coin, the biggest mistakes that cost me money, how to avoid common vamps, common rugs, and how to give yourself the best chance of picking the right coin. If you've ever wanted to start trading Solana meme coins but didn't know where to begin, this video should save you a lot of time and a lot of money as well. So yeah, let's get into it. So the rules are simple. I have 1 hour to trade meme coins with only 0.1 Solana. I just started the timer. I have 1 hour. I did this experiment a while ago and it went quite decent, but right now I've only given myself 1 hour to see if I can make something work. This is not bad. This is not bad. This is not bad at all. Buy this with 0.005. Boost coin is good, but it seems like it has been done before. So this is a cap dev. This could be not half bad. It is kind of pumping. We're already up 30%, which is not really a lot. Oh, I bought the wrong amount. Oh, hell no, bro. I didn't buy with enough. I put an extra 0 in, bro. We would have been up a decent chunk. Really want to buy this shit though, but I'm gonna wait for a dip. Please dip, just a little bit. I just want a little dip. Bang, there we go. Oh my god, straight to 0 it feels. I'm gonna buy a little bit more. So we're back at our 10k entry mark. I do believe that this could send if this is a slight bit up in profits because Jack Duval just bought. I'm gonna sell 50% right here just because it's a slight bit of profits. And I'm really not certain on when Jack Duval would dump on this shit, so I'm gonna keep on holding this because if it hits migration, it would be really good. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is gonna set a limit order in profit. So even if this thing goes down, I don't really end up losing money on this coin. If anything, I just wanna make money. So there we go. Till then, we have 0.06 Solana. Let's just go look at more coins. This is not that bad. Could be a good buy, but the volume just does not look good on this. Willie just bonded. I don't know if his name is Willie though. That's the thing I want to check. I don't want to close out the timer on accident. Never stop scamming then. Okay, bro. How is his name really Willie? Because if it is, then this could be a sender. Oh, now we had a chance to buy it at 5k. This could have been a 2x. This feels so bad when you fade a runner. Because if I bought it right here, it would have been up 2x already. What is Boost up to? Oh, Jack Duval has sold. Okay, we might be getting out of this with only 0.01 Solana made, but I want this thing to bond, if I'm being honest. Disabled goldfish. No, this could have been good if I spotted it earlier. It's okay, let's keep on searching for more. Willie is up 20%. You know what? That wasn't a bad buy at all. Right now, we have a 100% win rate on our coins. Gonna take 25% profit right here. We've only bought this thing with $2.50. Boost is just doing its thing for now. What is this? Meowpin? That is not bad. We need to buy Meowpin. I'm selling this. Actually, I'm selling the entirety of Willie. I'm gonna get into Meowpin. Meowpin looks good. I'm gonna be aping 0.05 Solana in this. Top blasting, of course. Because if this is real, this could go to 100k. Boys, the lesson is always wait for a dip. Always do, okay? I do believe if the story is real, this could send up to at least 100k. We do have enough volume because the wheelchair fish just did what we want this coin to do. We bought this with about $3.50 or 0.05 Solana, which is half our balance. And I am down to DCA a little bit more in this. I'm going to be buying around 27k if it gets to that point. Yeah, that is enough. Let's buy here. Hopefully this dip gets eaten up. It all depends on how real this is, which to be honest, I haven't done my research yet. I should probably do that. Meowpin.info, and here it is. Meowpin_info. Okay, the coin seems to be real. Okay, yeah, but the price does not reflect, which is not really good. This could be the end of the challenge right here. We need this to go back up. I cannot open TikTok to see if the account is really funny or is it not funny because TikTok is banned from where I'm from. See, that is the thing. That is what I'm talking about. If you buy late into these coins, people who buy here are going to sell on you. So getting to your break-even price is very hard unless the coin is absolutely phenomenal, which I do think this is. So I'm just going to keep on holding, be patient, and just wait to see what happens. I'm going to look for more opportunities whenever this coin dies. I'm going to sell my dust and yeah. Guys, so I'm just gonna go over the mistakes that we made in this coin. First of all, we bought too fucking high before the confirmation of the account claiming the fees. Then it started dumping straight up. So this was a farm. Although I was really limited here because TikTok is banned in my country, and if I open a VPN right now, Axiom would stop working properly, so I could not do that. But whenever you see these kind of coins, always open TikTok, look at what the thing is about, and then ape into something. Not blindly like me. Just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be depositing 0.1 Sol again to see if we can run this up. Okay boys, so we have reloaded the balance and we have 0.1 Sol into this coin. This is about a person who just got hit by a Molotov. We have about 31 minutes remaining. Okay, nah, that is brutal, bro. What did I just watch? And are we about to make money on this coin? I don't know. The narrative is not that strong, bro. If it wasn't for this challenge, I would have gotten out just about right here. Just saw this coin called Dead Dog in a Helmet. This sounds really fun. I'm just gonna ape in 0.05. Let's just see what happens here. Oh, that is a big candle. This is a really funny meme. Dead Dog in Helmet. Yeah, nah, this is good. This is good. I wish we had more Solana, but we sadly do not, which is all good. This is a good coin. I feel like this could bond. Since we really need this, I'm just gonna hold this thing until bond and see what happens. If we lose this, we're gonna call this challenge a fail, bro. And we're gonna try it again someday later. Okay, we're already up 2x on the coin, which is really good. This is surely a bonder, bro. I'm not selling until this thing bonds or goes to 0. I'm fine with either. We will call this challenge a fail if it is bad. Okay, there is a vamp. I don't like that. Oh my god. This, bro, vamping is such a big problem in the trenches. Would we be successfully vamped on this? Because the real name is Agros, but Deh just sounds funnier, no? Or am I tripping? Is this Earl bought into my coin, which is good. I really do not like the fact that there are 2 coins running with the same fucking narrative. But quite honestly, Deh is a better name. I really don't care what the dog is called. Deh is just a better name, better memeable name. I'm just gonna be holding this coin. Though it is losing the vamp race, if I'm being honest. Oh, this is not a good look for us. Whoever builds a vamp free launchpad, we will all switch off of Pump Fund because this is just not it, you know. We do not need 2 coins running with the same narrative, ever. Kinda hoping Argos dies off and Deh is the one that wins. That does prove there is enough volume for us to bond a coin, and I really think Deh is gonna be the one that bonds. Bang, there we go, conviction pays off. I'm gonna take about 50% profits right here. That is a successful trade already. I would want to wait for this to bond. This is good. Is Argos catching volume again? Who is this, Yenny? My god, Yenny, you're so stupid. Just buy the real coin. Let's just look at our coin. Let's not feed energy into Argos, because no one wants that coin to bond. No one does, okay? It's Deh all the way. We have about 25 minutes left. Ooh, that is a big dip. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy this dip as well. Oh, I don't have enough money. Let me quickly just buy this dip. There we go. Now there are so many vamps coming out, bro. This is cancer. Let's just focus on our coin. I do believe that this will be the one that bonds. Not gonna bother looking at other coins because Deh is the real meme, baby. Come on. Okay, we're finally seeing some good buys. Boys, I can't lie. If this bonds, this could go parabolic, bro. I could see this hitting 50k, 60k, and if you're lucky, even 100k, because there is definitely enough volume here. Okay, so we basically 2x'd our balance in a single trade. I am going to be selling about 25% pre-bond. You guys also need to keep in mind the market sentiment right now, since in the new pairs, there's not really anything good. And Deh is the only coin that feels like it could pump. Unless, what is this? Okay, the market sentiment is kind of dying because we have one more potential bonder in Tim. I'm not going to focus on other coins because we don't really have much balance. Even if I do go ahead and buy that coin with 0.01 Solana at 10x's, we don't really make that much money. I should have sold 25% of my position. That is not really ideal if I'm being honest. Gonna be taking another clip of 15%. Attempting transaction, brother. Yo, let me sell, boy. Yo, is Axiom really that bad? Boys, we gotta switch to GMGN. Do we really have to switch to GMGN now? Okay, there we go. Just some network issue, that is all good. No way all the volume's flowing in here instead of there. Anyways, let's just look at this. Artbot again, how much? $39, not ideal. This is about to bond, boys. This is really just about to bond. What I'm going to do is set a limit order for a sell right here. So even if it dumps, we end up walking away with a decent amount of money. All we need to do is not sell. Come on, boys. You've held this shit for so long. Why would you sell now? Just let it bond. Okay, there we go. We just bonded. I'm just gonna keep on holding this shit. Like, send this shit to 50k right now. I kinda like the fact that Art is buying again. Oh, big candle, baby. Come on, the volume's finally flowing into this coin. I should honestly start taking some clips. There we go. Attempting transaction again. Boys, I can't lie, Axiom is slow as hell. Switch to GMGN now. You guys might be wondering that why are you trading on Axiom if it is really just that bad? The real answer is I just had that much Solana in this wallet and I didn't feel like trading on GMGN, which is my usual platform where I trade on. I thought, why not give Axiom a chance? But never again, bro. This shit is ass. Quite honestly, we're not getting the volume that I was expecting we would get when we migrate. So I'm just going to sell 50% right here. And even if this coin goes to zero, we've made 50% on our portfolio in just under an hour, bro. We still have 13 minutes to spare. Oh my God. What is that candle? I sold too fast, boys. Okay, that is absurd. That is an absurd candle. Boys, if we didn't clip at all, we would have been at 0.4 Solana in profits. Or 0.5 Solana in profit. We still have about 12 minutes remaining. So I'm just going to let this coin cook and go on to Pulse and see what is happening. Whoppa, we're kind of dumping down, but I do believe this dip will be eaten up really fast. So I'm not really worried. If anything, I'm just going to set a stop loss down here. And here we sell 0.4 Solana. And no matter what happens now, we will be making 2x on our starting balance in just under an hour. There we go. That is a very big buy from, who is that? Oh, Cooker bot? Oh, nah, this could go to 100k now. We still don't have to sell. We have 10 minutes remaining. We're just going to chill in this coin. Boys, we have some balance to play with now, but we're not going to be forcing trades as that is the worst thing that you guys can do. Just sit on your hands, protect the money that you've made. Don't ape in something that you don't really like at all. Like Dog in Hat has had his run. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell 100% of my balance right here. There we go. That is a very successful trade. It just took one trade to take us from 0.1 Solana up to 0.245. Which is a success in my book. And now I'm just going to close the timer right here because we have 6 minutes remaining and the volume is not really that good. Now for the big question, is it possible to trade with 0.1 Solana in today's market? And my answer to that is yes, but you have to be very cautious on what you buy. Number one thing you're going to look out for is if the coin is memeable. The reason why we managed to dodge all the vamps was because this is meme coins after all. Only memes will send. Anyways, boys, that is gonna be it for the video. In 1 hour, we were able to take our 0.1 Solana all the way up to 0.245. Now, once you make it to a level like this, what I want you to do is de-risk a little bit per buy. Instead of full porting now, you guys need to only buy with 0.05 or 0.07 Solana. So you give yourself at least 3 or 4 chances to make it all back, even if you take a bad trade. Alright, that is going to be it for the video. If you want to learn more about how to trade with 0.1 Solana, click the video on your screen right now. It is a full detailed guide that will guide you through how to grow a small portfolio. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. See you in the next one. Bye bye.